Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring you have admin access and a power source. Updates often require restarts. Once signed in, open Start, choose Settings, then Update and Security to reach Windows Update. Make sure you're on a reliable connection because downloads can exceed hundreds of megabytes. This saves time and prevents corruption. Now select Check for Updates to begin scanning. You're initiating the process so Windows can identify feature, driver, and security patches it needs to install. Once Windows lists available updates, hit Download and watch progress. Some updates install background services first. If multiple updates appear, prioritize security and cumulative updates. Drivers can be optional. You can pause updates briefly or set active hours so restarts don't interrupt your work. Make sure to open advanced options to schedule a restart if needed. If a large feature update shows, consider backing up important files before installing. This protects data and lets you roll back if required. After downloads complete, restart when prompted to finalize installation. Many updates need multiple reboots and configuration steps, so be patient. Once Windows restarts, check Update History under Windows Update to confirm success and inspect driver status in Device Manager. If an update fails, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Also free disk space and disable third-party antivirus temporarily before retrying. If problems persist, note the error code and search for that specific code to apply targeted fixes or roll.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.